Okay, so here we are. There's a little wobbly because you're on the balancing on a water bottle. That's why you see this thing. I have to move my laptop because it might be sticky. Yeah, I'm still in my school clothes. I'm putting my pictures down. Okay. Oh, I don't know what you're on now. It's been lower, not really high. So here's the slime. Let's poke it. It's really actually pokey. It's really stretchy too. What the heck is that? Oh, yeah. You guys can see ants. There's like ants flying around here. This feels so good. I love it. Now we're gonna give it a stretch. Oh, this book. That smells kind of like putty, but it feels good. I guess you put some glitter on there because my hands are kind of glittery. I'm kind of green too. I guess the food color wasn't all the way mixed in. I might have to put more, probably like laundry detergent. I'm pretty sure, but it's really pokey. So I don't really care about just the pokiness. So I'm gonna do ASMR right now, so